Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. On today, class 10 Mathematics Standard Question Paper Preboard 1 from the Navodaya Vidyalaya we are going to discuss with marking scheme. So, you can see the question number 1 to 3 children in the MCQ. Question number 1 from the polynomials, question number 2 from pair of linear equation 2 variables, question number 3 from AP. So, question number 4 children, that is triangles. So, the diagram is there in the right hand side. In question number 5 quadratic equation, question number 6 trigonometry, question number 7 coordinate geometry. Then you can able to see question number 8. Question number 8 is from the circles. Then question number 9, question number 10. Question number 9 is from surface area volumes, question number 10 from statistics. Clear check ma. Then question number 11 is from circles. Question number 12 is from introduction to trigonometry. Easy only. If you have to solve, if you have any doubts, I can inform. Question number 13 is from triangles. Question number 14 is from AP. Question number 15 is probability, children solve it. Question number 16, nice, it is from circles. Question number 17 is from statistics. Question number 18 is from probability. Then question number 19 is from coordinate geometry. Question number 20 is from real numbers, chapter 1. Then section B is nice. So they are giving a fundamental theorem of arithmetic statement and all. Actually using fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So you don't want to write statement. Okay, anyway. Then question number 22, they have two things. One is coordinate geometry in the result finding ratio. Another one is proving. So we have this diagram, no children. This diagram is for question number 24. So I hope you know question number 24 is exercise 10.2 question number 8th question. So this diagram, can you able to see this for 24th only the diagram is given here. Question number 23 is parallelogram, very important and easy. Question number 25. Children, in my point of view, as per the syllabus, using sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That is what they are given. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1. They didn't mention. But in the question paper, that related questions are been asking. So better for safer side, you can study. So question number 26. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. Then by using AP, and it's the first negative term. I hope you know this is very repeated, was asked in the even optional exercise of AP exercise 5.4 first sum, if I'm correct, that model, not same sum. Okay, so 28th question is from triangles. 29th graph, we have one graph sum in 3 mark. Like that, very simple sum, just solve. They may ask even area of a triangle that related. I hope you will study that. And one word problem, graph or word problem they asked here. Again, 38th question, as I said, that secant square theta minus tan square theta related. If I am there, I will give you instead of that one sin square cos square related only. So that if in my point of view, this model was not there in the board exam. But anyway, we should study it's easy only. So the minus secant comes here now plus secant, and minus 1 by cos A comes here now plus 1 by cos A. Then you can take LHS, RHS, simplifying it's easy. Sir, they given one, then you can exchange as sir. Yes, we can exchange and we can get the answer. There is nothing wrong in it. Then find the median height of the girls. I think it's continuous, easy. Then section D, BPT, 32nd question, by and using it. BPT carries only 3 mark then you have to using the theorem and you have to prove it. That is very important. Then 33rd question, quadratic equation word problem. Repeatedly they are asking on aeroplane sum, on tap sum, so kindly prepare well. 34th question. Again, there are also question, this type of question can be asked or not, one doubt is there. But anyway, the people are asking only quadratic equation related. 34th question is that area letter circles, again book sum, horse tied sum. 35th question, application of trigonometry repeated. They have given you root 3 value 1.73. So kindly apply after you getting it, whichever sum you're doing. And lighthouse, the depression is very important. Successful coming for case study. So nice question. You can see this question, conical tank, cylindrical tank. Can read that question and what you have understood. The nice diagram. Cross section of the conical tank given. Radius is 3 meter. They are asking volume of the cone, volume of cylinder. Third subdivision, they are asking area of the metal sheet. Then another way they're asking cost of the oil at the rate of rupees 200 per liter. Easy only. Then 37th question, CBL, computer based learning. Nice heading actually. That related I can expect. They have conducted one survey and they're having that survey data. From that they're asking probability. Hey, actually this is like uh ninth standard probability. I think ninth probability deleted for you, but anyway, ninth probability would be like that only. What is more than 100 computer? What is lesser than like it was far easier actually. In that they have asked it's easy. You don't want to think and solve anything. Just you want to calculate more than 100 na how much, less than 50 na how much less in that sense. Say away third, second option. And 30th is actually very nice picture. Dolphin aquarium. H of t they given 20t minus 16t square. They're asking find the zeros of the polynomial. It was easy. And see which type of this following graphs represents h of t. H of t represents from this graph which they're asking like MCQ. They're asking option A or option B or option C or option D. Then third question is talking about what you will talk about T 1 by 2, interpret the result they're asking. So nice. Now we are talking about a marking scheme, children. So marking scheme, question number 1 to 15 is showing here. Only final answer is there visible. So you solve it. If you're not getting any this answer or different answer are getting, are you going to challenge this answer key? You can inform because it may be error also. So you have to check. And question number 16 to 20 also is available. See it. From question number 21, it's simple, children. Again, I can't explain or I can't, I ask you to teach now. It's like answer key. You got this, you solve it whether you got this answer or not. So, question number 21 you solve, you're supposed to get HF 24, LCM 480. You're getting a superb. That way only you're supposed to see. Suppose, no, sir, even I'm seeing an answer key, I'm not understand, na, then you inform in the comment box, then we'll solve that term separate. And this sum 22nd related sum was there in the coordinate geometry optional exercise. I think I've said once you got this equation of children, what is the thing now? After getting this equation, this you should substitute. Instead of x, you have to substitute this 5k minus 1 by k plus 1. Instead of y, you should substitute. Then get the k value. Then you should substitute. In that sense, it was easy. Do it. Then this is equidistance. Very important. Repeated. Was there in the exercise 7.2 coordinate geometry. Second exercise. Find the relation. Even first exercise also that relation content is there, equidistant. Actually, first exercise itself, exercise 7.1 10th question also this model is there. Then question number 23 was there again in the book. If I'm correct, exercise 7.2 midpoint format is there. Parallelogram, repeated 2 mark. You can go through like this sum. 24th question again it was there in the circles. Exercise 10.2 question number 8 same sum, easy. So do it. Same this whenever you're doing this sum. Question number 11, parallelogram inscribed a circle is a rhombus. That also you should study both together. Question number 25, again it's repeated and like some of the expected sum they're asking children in this Navodaya. So this sum was there in the exercise 8.2. Question number 3, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, and example sum. This model sums are there. It's easy, important. Do elimination method. And this sum by using secant, if you're asking, it should not be there in the portion as only sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 is there in the identity. But anyway, we have to learn this also for our safer work. But as per the syllabus strictly, they asked only this ratio only. Okay, do it. Suppose you have doubt now, ask me. 26, it comes under type 1 children real number. So I used to call type 1. What's that type 1 now? Only root over any prime number. Like root 5, root 2, root 3, like that. They say, now I used to call type 1. So if suppose I have root 5 and minus some other number, I have minus 7. Or 3 minus 5 root 2. Like that and is there. I used to call type 2. And I have two irrational number, root 2 plus root 3, like that. And type 3 I used to call. These all available in our even our channel playlist. Real numbers is there. You can go through. If you have doubt, you ask me. Then 27th children, AP pi easy ma. Whenever the three terms they are asking, you have to consider this is a minus d, a plus d. Sum because minus d plus d gets cancelled and you're getting 3a equal to 30, a equals value. Sir, why sir a minus d, a plus d? If I written general form of the AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, you won't get answer as na. Yes, it will be complicated because two variables will be there. If you consider A minus D plus A plus D na, then the D will be cancelled. Your work will be easy. You will easily get the 3A. So whenever three terms, use this four terms na accordingly. A minus 3D, A minus D will come. And A plus D, A plus 3 will come. Then this is also repeated sum. And first negative term, again important model. It was there in the exercise 5.4, question number 5.4 or 4.5. So 5.4, yeah, AP na 5.4, optional exercise first question. This model was there. First negative term, always remember an less than 0. A plus n minus 1 entity less than 0, get the value. Once the inequality changing, the negative you are changing now, it should be greater than. So 16 1 by 4 is there. I have to write 17th term is first negative term. Even I got n equals to 16 now also. Suppose n greater than 16 also, I should consist or I have to consider 17th term is the first negative term. Then 28th question pa. It's nice question. You just try to do it. This is the one of the question which is not there that much expected question, because this question paper full of more expected question. Some question which is somewhat different now, that is this 28th question I can say. Then 29, see how the answer key you see. In board exam also you may get like this, like a correct table for both equation, correct graph, correct solution. So how you going to do it is matters like anything. Then you have the word problem. See, they're given like equation doing correctly marks, x value, y value. See, x value have 1 mark and y value 1 mark. Now they just consider how they're going. And this related, you solve properly, children, and you're getting the answer. If you have doubt in the sum, you can ask me. And median frequency, see, children, you're doing the table carries 1 mark, and applying formula carries half mark, and substituting carries half mark. Like that, it was easy. So kindly write the formula properly for statistics. Then 32nd question, you see how they have given for BPT. They have given you actually 4 marks. They are given very good. For related problem, they given you 1 mark, so good. But sometimes they are asking BPT 3 mark and related problem 2 marks accordingly. And this question we all know, 33rd question, aeroplane sum, one of the repeated question. So negative is not possible, rejecting the 1000. So first this, see children, equation itself carries 1 mark. Nice, na? Then get the x equal to 750, conclude the sum, conclude the answer with the speed of aeroplane is 750 km per hour. Water tap, and you doing it properly. Water tap sum, different sum was there. That means the numbers is different is there in the book. I hope exercise 4.3. Go through, getting the equation and get the value x equal to 18 or x equal to 3. X cannot be less than 6. Why x cannot be less than 6? You have to see. If it is a less than 6 now, what will happen? So the less than 9 also it cannot be. So it will be negative value. So only x is 18. So you have to conclude. My conclusion carries marks. So tap with a smaller diameter how much hours, tap with a larger diameter how much hours. And the 34th question, aerial letter circles, horse gazing. Again, very easy book question. Kindly prepare well, easy ma. And getting the area quadrant and increasing gazing area, both you have to subtract it and getting the answer. 35th question was easy. Trigonometry, sir. This type of question comes nicely. We'll do, sir, like that. Yes, it may have. You may have a chance of getting. So kindly prepare well. So we don't know how they will ask. So your work you have to prepare well. Should not think about anything. So 86.5 meter. Then another one diagram. Then again you got here x is 15 but they are apply the root 3 value there itself and they substituted or wish. Getting for height of the tower is 21.9 meter. Check if you're getting any different answer also, you can comment it. Then we can see, okay, what are all different values. 36th. Volume of cone pot, volume of cylinder pot, slant height. Getting this answer, check. And oil, the tank, cost of the oil. Cost of oil, you can find it. Then probability of school having more than 100 km computer, how much? Lesser than 50 km computer, how much? And more than 20 computer, and school having lesser than, and it's all like very simple, like just seeing the tabular column and I have to copy it and write. So it is one of the easiest. It is there in the ninth standard level book questions. So 38th. So ma 38th zeros now you have to equate with 0 ma 22 20t minus 16t square, you are equating with 0 now you are getting answer ma. Then second A subdivision is covers for this sum because 5 by 4 and 0. Actually what they are asking na, this which like this they have given four what diagram that which is satisfies, they said we got t0, 0 is intersecting here, t 5 by 4 again intersecting, so this is a correct thing, correct diagram. Then third subdivision is substituted instead of instead of t 1 by 2 because they have given you 1 by 2 and they're asking how much height and got the answer 6. Then dolphin hit the water again at 5 by 4, so 20 times 5 by 4 you have to do and get the value of 25. Clear, check children? So kindly forward to your 10th standard friends, it will be useful for them. Thank you.